Have you ever wondered what businesses are actually using Favepay? I mean, we've all seen the ads, but what's the real story behind the scenes? Favepay, for those who might be new, is a digital payment platform that's been making waves in the Nigerian market. It's designed to make payments easier and more secure, both for businesses and consumers. But who exactly is using it? Let's dive in and find out. The rise of cashless transactions. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand the broader trend of cashless transactions. In recent years, we've seen a significant shift away from traditional cash payments. This is driven by several factors. Convenience. Digital payments are faster and more convenient. Security. They can be more secure than carrying large amounts of cash. Government initiatives. Governments are pushing for a cashless economy. Favepay's role. Favepay is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. It offers a range of features that make it attractive to businesses of all sizes. Easy integration. It can be easily integrated into existing point-of-sale systems. Multiple payment options. It supports various payment methods, including cards, mobile money, and bank transfers. Security. It employs robust security measures to protect both businesses and consumers. Who's using Favepay? Now, let's talk about the businesses that are actually using Favepay. While the platform is still relatively new, it's already gaining traction in several sectors. Restaurants and cafes. Many popular eateries are accepting Favepay, making it easier for customers to pay their bills. Retail stores. From fashion boutiques to grocery stores, retailers are adopting Favepay to streamline their checkout process. Service providers, salons, spas, and other service providers are using Favepay to accept payments. Online businesses, e-commerce businesses are integrating Favepay as a payment option. Why should you care? As a consumer, understanding which businesses accept Favepay can help you make informed decisions about where to shop and dine. It can also help you save time and avoid the hassle of carrying cash. For businesses, Favepay can be a valuable tool for attracting and retaining customers. By offering a convenient and secure payment option, businesses can improve their customer experience and boost their sales. The future of Favepay. As Favepay continues to grow, we can expect to see it adopted by even more businesses across Nigeria. The platform has the potential to revolutionize the way we pay for goods and services. So, there you have it. Favepay is being used by a diverse range of businesses,
Have you ever wondered
from small
how many
local
people are
shops
using
to
Trading
large national
212?
chains.
Trading
As the
212
cashless
is a
economy
popular
continues
online
to
trading
evolve,
platform that
Favepay
allows
is
users to buy
well-positioned
and
to play
sell
a major
stocks,
role.
shares,
With
ETFs,
that
and other
said, thanks
financial
for watching,
instruments.
and until next time.
It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Trading 212's growth. Trading 212 has been growing rapidly in recent years. In 2021, the company reported that it had over 6 million registered users. This number has continued to grow in 2022. Trading 212's popularity. Trading 212 is popular with both retail and institutional investors. The company offers a wide range of features and tools that make it easy to trade stocks, shares, ETFs, and other financial instruments. Trading 212's global reach. Trading 212 is available in over 180 countries. This means that there are people all over the world using the platform. Trading 212's user base. While Trading 212 does not disclose the exact number of active accounts, we can estimate it based on the company's growth and popularity. It is likely that Trading 212 has millions of active accounts. Additional tips. Use visuals to help illustrate your points. For example, you could use charts and graphs to show how Trading 212's growth has increased over time. Use real-life examples to make your points more relatable. For example, you could talk about how a friend or family member has used Trading 212 to invest their money. Be passionate about your topic. This will come through in your delivery and help to engage your viewers. Trading 212 is a popular and growing online trading platform. It has millions of active accounts all over the world. If you are looking for a great way to start investing, Trading 212 is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching.
Ever wondered if Albert Einstein, the genius who revolutionized physics, had a simple, everyday concern like direct deposit? Let's dive into the mind-bending question. Did Albert Einstein have direct deposit? Before we delve into the specifics of Einstein's financial life, let's quickly recap his groundbreaking contributions. From the theory of relativity to the photoelectric effect, Einstein's ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe. But did he have the foresight to embrace the convenience of direct deposit? The direct deposit dilemma. Direct deposit, a modern financial system that allows electronic transfer of funds directly into a bank account, is a relatively recent innovation. It wasn't widely adopted until the late 20th century. Given Einstein's lifespan, 1879 to 1955, it's highly unlikely that he had the opportunity to experience direct deposit. Einstein's financial life. While we don't have detailed records of Einstein's personal finances, we can make educated guesses based on the historical context. During his early career, Einstein struggled financially. He relied on teaching positions and private tutoring to support himself and his family. It's possible that he received payments by check or even cash. As Einstein's fame grew, so did his income. He received royalties from his books and lectures, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. These sources of income likely provided him with a more stable financial situation. However, it's important to note that the global economic climate, particularly during the Great Depression and World War II, would have impacted his financial security. The legacy of a genius. While we may never know the exact details of Einstein's financial practices, his intellectual legacy continues to inspire and amaze. His theories have revolutionized fields like physics, astronomy, and cosmology. As we ponder the question of direct deposit, we can appreciate the irony of a man who could unravel the mysteries of the universe grappling with the mundane aspects of everyday life. So, did Albert Einstein have direct deposit? The answer is most likely no. But the question itself serves as a reminder that even the greatest minds on Earth are subject to the constraints of time and technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.